Hey everybody, Elliot Harrison here, Week 6 Power Rankings for you, and you see right there, bad news in New York, and listen, it's one thing to deal with injuries before a game. When your whole position group gets knocked out in-game, there's no way you can adjust. People haven't gotten practice time. The Giants, they are in a tough spot right now. So is Cleveland. They continue to lose. Are they going to play Kevin Hogan at quarterback? We'll find out. The 49ers lose a tough one in overtime. See, the Colts, they won. The Cardinals got blown out. The Chargers finally get a win on the board. The Dolphins won, and the Bears should have won. A lot of ticky-tack calls. Okay, Baltimore Ravens. We saw how good their defense was the first two games. Actually, some nice offensive work in Oakland. Maybe not a spectacular game from Joe Flacco, but very efficient. Baltimore has the defense to win. They just need the offense to do enough. All right, you see some of the other teams here. The Jets, boy, they continue to impress people. I don't know if impress is the right word, but you get it. Bengals, they get another win. The Raiders, of course, lose. Hopefully Derek Carr gets back. Tennessee, hopefully Marcus Mariota comes back. The Bucs lost. Cowboys lost. Minnesota, Case Keenum still playing well. All right, what can you say about the Pittsburgh Steelers? Ben Roethlisberger throws 5 interceptions. It is very difficult. I don't care how good your offense or defense is to overcome 5 giveaways from your quarterback, especially when 2 of those directly result in touchdowns for the other team. So you see Pittsburgh there at 14. Houston, a tough loss in a lot of different ways. They're at 16. I didn't move the Saints. They're on a bye. A lot of people still don't believe in the Jags. They punished the Bills because of no offense. Rams and Seahawks played. The Rams barely lost. And then the Redskins were on a bye. Okay, Cam Newton has played very well the last couple weeks. And I'll tell you, great job by the coaching staff. Because this is a team that got blown out by the Saints. They go into New England, they get a win, then they come back against a very consistent Detroit team and win on the road, including a big third down and long conversion from Cam Newton and Kelvin Benjamin. You see the Panthers there at 5. The Patriots, who they beat, are up to 8 after beating the Bucs. The Broncos were on a bye, although they did move up 1 spot because the teams around them. Detroit has been consistent. They've been in every game. They're at 6. Atlanta was on a bye. I moved Green Bay all the way up to 3. The Falcons win over them was a long time ago. You see the Eagles and the Chiefs, still the best team in football after 5 weeks.